There's no room left for thinking. I'm tired of waiting, slowly fading. But happening now, 'cause I'm running out of time. And I feel this endless the doors are closing, I am close. I need her around, and it feels like that we belong together. Can someone tell me where do I start?
Grabe talaga naman. Eh, dati-dati lang yung nagsimula kami magkakasama ngayon. Kilalang na sila, di ba? Oo, at tulad kilala niyan. Ako kilala ka na rin. Iba na rin.
Paano nagsiset hardworking, syempre. At tulad itong grupong ito na nagsimula sa mga bars at ngayon, one of the country's most